Hello fellow traders, and welcome to this video guide about common issues with Odinbot not mirroring trades properly. Let me help you understand the 7 main reasons this might happen. Firstly, when it comes to account size versus trade size, your account needs to maintain sufficient balance to execute trades effectively. If your Solana balance falls below 0.1 Solana, Odinbot may not execute trades to protect your positions. The bot reserves a buffer of 20% of the trade size for buy transactions, which increases for higher speed tiers. A crucial aspect to understand is pump.fund transaction failures, which often occur due to token volatility affecting slippage settings. When tokens experience significant price movements, your trades might fail if slippage parameters aren't properly configured. You can verify if this is causing your issue by checking your transaction on SolScan. Specifically, look for the error message, "Too much Solana, required to buy the given amount of tokens." This clearly indicates a slippage-related problem that needs adjustment in your settings. On the other hand, when trading low market cap risky tokens like the one in the example, shown with only $12,400 liquidity and $5,500 market cap, there's a high risk of price manipulation. Some traders might use these illiquid tokens to profit from copy traders by pumping and dumping quickly. Looking at the 1-second chart, you can see these sharp price movements. This is why Odinbot implements strict slippage protection to prevent your account from falling victim to such manipulated trades and potential significant losses. For your security, Odinbot won't allow you to buy tokens if their freeze authority hasn't been revoked. Taking as an example this token, we can see the freezable audit flag marked as yes. This means the token creator retains the ability to freeze all transactions, essentially locking everyone's tokens at will. Furthermore, to confirm the impossibility to sell the token, we can see that when trying to do so, SolScan will show that the transaction has failed due to an unknown error. To maintain efficiency and protect your holdings, Odinbot won't mirror trades if the wallet you're copying trades below 0.01 Solana. This prevents your Solana from being drained by fees and protects you from traders or bots that aren't putting significant capital at risk. Finally, if you encounter issues selling tokens from your holdings page, this typically happens when Jupiter cannot determine how to sell the token. In such cases, you can manually sell these tokens by finding them on Deck Screener and trading directly through liquidity pools like Radium or Meteora. These measures are designed to protect your investments while ensuring efficient trading. Remember, proper configuration and understanding these limitations will help you make the most of your Odinbot experience